Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your beauty routine smarter, not harder. Today, we're checking out the Kiko Milano Ultimate Pen Eyeliner in shade 01 Black. This is a pencil-style eyeliner designed for a matte finish with a smudge-resistant formula that promises precise application and long-lasting wear. Right out of the box, the pencil feels smooth and sturdy in the hand. Kiko Milano has formulated it to glide easily along the lash line, and the matte black color is rich and pigmented without feeling heavy. The smudge-resistant claim is appealing, especially for those of us with oily lids or long days where eyeliner tends to migrate. In real-world testing, I found it easy to incorporate into both a quick morning routine and a more detailed evening look. The pencil sharpens cleanly, giving you control over both fine lines and more dramatic wings. On my eyes, it held up well throughout the day, showing minimal fading and no major smudging, even in humid conditions. One small downside is that it's not waterproof, so it may require touch-ups if you're around water or heavy sweating. What I love is the texture. It's soft enough to apply without tugging, but firm enough to create a precise line. The smudge resistance mostly delivers, and the deep matte black really makes the eyes pop. On the flip side, some might find it less intense than gel liners or felt tip pens, especially if you like ultra bold lines in one swipe. Considering its performance and quality, the Kiko Milano Ultimate Pen Eyeliner provides solid value. It's well made, the pigment is impressive for a pencil, and the smudge-resistant formula works for everyday wear. Compared to other mid-range pencil liners, it holds its own, especially if you prefer a matte finish over glossy or gel-like textures. The packaging is simple but durable, and the pencil itself feels reliable over multiple uses. If you're looking for alternatives, brands like NYX and Essence offer similar pencil eyeliners at slightly lower prices, though the pigment and longevity may not quite match Kiko's. That said, if you're prioritizing smudge resistance and a true matte finish, this eyeliner is a strong contender. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Kiko Milano Ultimate Pen Eyeliner delivers smooth application, impressive matte pigmentation, and dependable smudge resistance. It's ideal for anyone looking for a reliable, everyday pencil that won't budge throughout the day. If you enjoy matte liners that combine ease and precision, this one is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase the Kiko Milano Ultimate Pen Eyeliner in the comments or description box below. If you've used this eyeliner, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.